Hi ladies, it's Ali here and from my YouTube channel Clear Skin and Wellbeing. So I thought today I would just touch on colouring our hair at home. Obviously we can't get into the salon at the moment, so I thought it'd be a good idea just to go through the basics of hair colour. So when you do buy a box and you've gone to the store, supermarket or health store, you bought your box of colour. First thing to do is read the instructions. I know it seems very obvious, but a lot of people do skip. Read the instructions, and if you've never used that colour before, that brand, even if you had your coloured hair previously has been coloured somewhere else, if you haven't used that brand, always do a patch test first, preferably 24 hours beforehand. With that all being well and good, then you can move on to colouring. So with colours, when you do buy colours, first of all, you always look at the base colour of your hair. So for instance, if your hair's dark brown, yes, buy a dark brown colour, but a lot of colours do contain a bit of red, so do avoid things like honey, tones and ones which say golden. If you don't want any red in your hair at all, try to go for an ash tone colour. Anything with an ash is green based, so that will counteract any redness. So I would suggest to always put on a lighter colour on your hair as you get older. Obviously when we're younger, our skin tone is a bit different to as we get older. It changes, and so I think it's always best to go 1 or 2 shades lighter. If you do have darker hair, or even if you are slightly lighter, I always quite like to have a few tones put into my hair, and always advise my clients as well. So you have your base, and then you'd have a few highlights or lowlights put in, such as, for instance, my hair, I'm a natural redhead, but I do put in a few highlights so it's not a block colour. There's nothing worse than one block colour. Even natural hair is not a block colour, it's made of 3 different colour tones. That's why you can never get out of a bottle what you actually would have naturally. Always I would suggest is look at your skin tone, the colour of your eyes and your eyebrows. Is it going to match the colour you're going to be putting on? Once you have put the colour on, always thoroughly condition your hair, and with colour treated hair I always deep condition once a week. I do find colour treated hair is quite porous, so it does allow for frizz and that sort of thing, and humidity. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and hopefully it's been useful to you. Please put a comment down below if there's anything or any advice you'd like me to give you, and please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye.